Welcome in Aswani classes. I am Aswani Kumar Mahato before you to discuss quadratic equation and its roots. So in this video, let us see quadratic equation. An equation of the type ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are any constant and a not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. Any equation in this form is called a quadratic equation, but condition is this a means coefficient of x square should not be 0. This a may be other than 0, any constant but not 0, and b, c may be any constant, may be 0 also. Then the equation is called a quadratic equation. Let us see some examples. If you are writing x square equal to 5x plus 3 is a quadratic equation. Yes, it can be written in that form. Let us see. This can be written as 1x square plus minus 5x plus minus 3 equal to 0. We can bring these to this side. It will be minus x minus 3 minus 5 can be taken in a bracket. So it is of the type ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and hence it is a quadratic equation. Here a is 1, b is minus 5, c is minus 3. Let us see another example. If you are writing x square equal to 5 only is a quadratic equation. Yes, because here we can write x square plus 0x, it will be minus 5, so plus minus 5 equal to 0. It is also in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Here what is a? In place of a it is 1, in place of b it is 0, in place of c it is minus 5, and hence x square equal to 5 is also a quadratic equation. Here coefficient of x means this b is here 0, b, c may be 0, but coefficient of x square should not be 0. Let us see more example. If you are writing x square equal to 3x minus 3x, okay, is a quadratic equation. Let us see. It can be written as x square plus 3x equal to 0. It is in this form. Yes, it can be written as 1x square plus 3x plus there is no constant term, so we can write 0. Here a is 1, b is 3 and c is 0, and hence it is a quadratic equation. So any equation written in this form is a quadratic equation, where a, b, c are any constant but a should not be 0. A should not be 0 is must. Let us see few more example. If you are writing 5x square plus root x minus 3 equal to 0, is it a quadratic equation? No. Here root x is there. Your equation should be in this form, ax square, okay, plus bx. If x term is there, then power of x must be 1 only. Root x means here it is x to the power 1 by 2. So power of x should not be 1 by 2. Power of x should be 1. So it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Let us see more example. X square plus 3x equal to x square plus 6x is a quadratic equation? No, because if you simplify this x square will be cancelled, and simply you will get this 3x minus 6x equal to 0, and hence it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, because there will be no term x square. There must be a term containing x square, then only it will be a quadratic equation. Let us see more example. this is also not a quadratic equation. If you are writing x square minus 3 plus x square, is it a quadratic equation? Let us simplify it and let us check. It is x cube minus 3x, okay, x square will come this side. So here highest power of the variable 3, so it is not a quadratic equation. For a quadratic equation, highest power of the variable must be 2. x का जो हाईएस्ट पावर होगा इक्वेशन में वो 2 होना चाहिए, 2 से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. So it is not a quadratic equation. If an equation x cube, x4 or power of x any fraction like this are involved, then these are not a quadratic equation. So I hope you have understand what type of equations are called quadratic equation. You can easily check whether a given equation is quadratic or not. Now we also want to find solution of a quadratic equation. What is solution? The value of x which satisfy the equation called its solution. So for a quadratic equation also, the value of x which satisfy the given quadratic equation called its roots or solution. So let us see what does it mean solution of a quadratic equation. I am writing a quadratic equation. See, 3x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation because it is of the type ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is 3, b is minus 2 and c is minus 1. It is a quadratic equation. In this equation you write x equal to 1 and see what happened. If you write in this equation x equal to 1, your left hand side will be 3 into 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. So it is 3 minus 2 minus 1 means it is 0, and your right hand side is also 0. Means by substituting x equal to 1, left hand side and right hand side becomes same. So we say x equal to 1 satisfy the equation. X equal to 1 satisfy the equation means x, if we write x equal to 1, left hand side of the equation, value of left hand side of the equation and right hand side becomes same. So x equal to 1 is called its root or solution. Okay. So what is solution of a quadratic equation? The value of x which satisfy it. Satisfy it means balance it, means make the equation both side equal, called its root. So in general we want to find solution of a quadratic equation, means we want to find a formula. If at random any quadratic equation written like x square plus root 5x minus 3 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, no problem. Coefficients may be under root sign. Power of x is 1, power of x is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. But if you want to say by trial and error method what will be its solution, then it is difficult to say. Value of x, it is difficult to say by trial and error. Okay. So we want to find a formula to get the solution of a quadratic equation. ठीक है. सॉल्यूशन निकालने के लिए हम लोग को एक फार्मूला चाहिए, एक फार्मूला हम लोग ड्राइव करेंगे, निकालेंगे. ठीक है. देन बाय यूजिंग दैट फार्मूला वी कैन फाइंड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एनी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. ऐसे ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में x इक्वल टू 1 पता चल गया. सब में ये पता करना कि भाई x का क्या वैल्यू लेंगे कि इसको सेटिस्फाई करेगा, ऐसे इक्वेशन को देख के बताना डिफिकल्ट है, हमेशा पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता है. तो उसके लिए हम लोग पढ़ेंगे टू सॉल्व, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. ax स्क्वायर plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. It is called general quadratic equation. In place of a, b, c may any constant but a not equal to 0. So we want to solve this. ये general equation को ही solve कर लीजिए, and whatever answer will come that will be considered as a formula for solving quadratic equation. तो इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. इसका जो आंसर आएगा वो एक फॉर्मूला मिलेगा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने का. लेट अस सॉल्व. इन ऑर्डर टू सॉल्व, डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड, बाय ए से डिवाइड कर दीजिए दोनों साइड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वांट टू मेक एक्स स्क्वायर फ्री. एक्स स्क्वायर को कोफिशिएंट से फ्री करना चाहते हैं. इसके लिए ए से डिवाइड कर दीजिए दोनों साइड. सो यहां क्या होगा, एक्स स्क्वायर बाई ए कैंसिल. हियर इट विल बी बी बाई ए एक्स प्लस सी बाई ए इक्वल टू 0. ओके. Now we want to make it whole square by using this. You know a square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. We want to use this to make a plus b whole square. So let us bring this expression in this form. इसको इस फॉर्म में लाना चाहते हैं ताकि उसको हम होल स्क्वायर में लिख सकें. देखिए कैसे आएगा. ये ए स्क्वायर टाइप का हो गया. दिस इज ऑफ द टाइप ए स्क्वायर. नाउ मेक इट 2ab. ये चीज ले आइए. 2a, दिस इज ए. नाउ व्हाट शुड बी b? ये 2 कटेगा तो फिर वही बचेगा जो था पहले, एक्स बी बाई ए. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 2 इंटू एक्स इंटू बी बाई 2a. नाउ इट इज ऑफ द टाइप ए स्क्वायर 2a. दिस इज योर b. नाउ व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड? बी स्क्वायर चाहिए होल स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए. बी स्क्वायर चाहिए मतलब ये चीज चाहिए था ये, तो इसको ऐड कर दिए अपने से. ऐड कर दिए तो उतना सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर देंगे. जितना ऐड किए उतना सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. अब इक्वेशन में अपने से ऐड किए तो उतना घटाना पड़ेगा ना बैलेंस करने के लिए. और बचा क्या? c बाई ए इक्वल टू 0. इन दिस वे एक्स स्क्वायर b बाई ए एक्स इज रिटर्न 2x b बाई 2a. b by 2a whole square added and b by 2a whole square subtracted, plus this is written equal to 0. Now from here to here you see it is of the type a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as a plus b. b means this is in place of b. a plus b whole square. Okay. And these remaining terms you write in other side. This minus will go to that side, plus b square by 2a whole square 4a square, and c by a will go to that side and minus c by a. ये माइनस को उधर ले गए, प्लस को उधर ले गए. Let us simplify it. We have to take LCM. 4a square and a square, its LCM 4a square. ये 4a square को डिवाइड कीजिए 4a square से, एक कट जाएगा. 1 into this b square, here minus, so here we put minus. अब ये 4a square को डिवाइड करेंगे a से, एक a कट जाएगा, बचेगा 4a. 4a into this c, 4ac. In this way we can simplify. अब यहां से हम लोग निकालेंगे x प्लस b बाई 2a. दिस वी वांट टू फाइंड। इधर स्क्वायर है तो दूसरे साइड रूट हो जाएगा, ऐसा बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई 4a²। ठीक है, रूट है तो इसमें प्लस माइनस साइन लगेगा, क्योंकि ये एक्स स्क्वायर था ना, एक्स स्क्वायर जब रहता है दूसरे साइड रूट करते हैं तो प्लस माइनस दो वैल्यूज आता है। कोई भी अगर एक्स स्क्वायर का इक्वेशन है तो उसका दो रूट्स होगा, एक प्लस में एक माइनस में, तो इसलिए यहाँ प्लस माइनस लेंगे और रूट में लिखेंगे बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई 4a²। अब यहाँ से x निकलेगा ना, इसीलिए इसको होल स्क्वायर बनाए थे। होल स्क्वायर बना के स्क्वायर को उधर ले गए, रूट हो गया। नाउ फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन फाइंड x। ओके, सो लेट अस सी, लेट अस रफ दिस। Now find x from here. X can be written as this b by 2 will go to that side, minus b by 2a, and plus minus this can be written as root under b square minus 4ac, and here 4a square it can be written as 2a whole square. Square and root both will be removed, so here it is 2a। इसको लिखेंगे 2a का होल स्क्वायर, और पूरा में रूट है ना तो रूट स्क्वायर दोनों हट जाएगा 2a। ओके, नाउ व्हाट विल बी एलसीएम? 2a, here it is। 2a को डिवाइड करेंगे 2a से 1 इंटू माइनस बी, प्लस माइनस यहाँ भी 2a को 2a से डिवाइड करेंगे 1 इंटू 10 बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac। ओके, सो वैल्यूज ऑफ x आर माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट अंडर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई 2a। हियर टू वैल्यूज आर देयर, one is minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Second value is minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can write it in simplified way, plus minus root d right by 2a, where what is d? d is taken for b square minus 4ac। इसको हम लोग d लिख दिए। इस d को डिस्क्रिमिनेंट बोलते हैं, where d equal to this is called discriminant of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0। इस इक्वेशन का डिस्क्रिमिनेंट बोलते हैं d is b square minus 4ac। So we are getting two values of x, minus b plus minus root d by 2a. Two roots are here, one is minus b plus root d by 2a, and second is minus b minus root d by 2a. So this is the roots or solution of this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This will be used as a formula to get the solution of a quadratic equation. कोई अगर quadratic equation है तो उसका solution निकालने के लिए इसको हम लोग यूज करेंगे as a formula। ऐसा equation दिया हुआ है तो a मालूम है, b मालूम है, c मालूम है, हम लोग d निकाल लेंगे। d is b square minus 4ac, and after getting d we get the two roots, one is minus b plus root d by 2a, and second is minus b minus root d by 2a. So this is the formula for the solution of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In the next video we use this formula to solve a quadratic equation. Okay, so go on watching quadratic equation. Thank you for watching.